ABB Cables is interested in four customer segments, which is the interconnectors, which is the offshore wind, which is the oil and gas, and the undergrounding. We have an example of interconnectors. We have two types of interesting cables. That is the DC cables, both HVDC Light, which ABB invented in 1997, and the so-called MI cable, which also ABB invented in 1953. These are DC cables mainly for large distances, far more than 100 kilometers, and say 1 to 2 gigawatts, lots of power, interconnecting countries. For shorter distances, it's maybe sometimes better to have large three-phase AC cables. They will talk about maybe 10, 20, up to 50 kilometers. This cable is also an ABB world first. It's the first 420 kV cable in a three-phase package. The advantage here is that you have one laying campaign, being much more cost effective. Oil and gas is also very interested in connecting their platforms with cables, reducing the CO2 output. So we connect with these kind of three-phase cables, the oil platforms, and reducing in that way the CO2 exhaust. Undergrounding is also an interesting topic for the world. Removing overhead lines, which in some cases, not all, but in some cases can be a problem for permitting. Then you have very lightweighting cables. I have almost 1 gigawatt of power in my hand. It's only 15 kilograms per meter. Then you can transport lots of power by undergrounding. This is about a short version of what ABB in Karlskrona is offering for the world.